Ciao, I'm Chiara from Filo e Segno and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to crochet this cozy cowl. This project is so quick to do, 1 hour if you are not beginner, but it's still very easy project, so it's perfect for beginner too. For this project I use one skein of Fiore from Mondial. You can find more information in the description box, and I use 6.5mm hook. Okay, now we're going to start with the foundation chain, and this foundation chain needs to be in multiple of 5. So now we are going to chain 70 and close it in round. Here's a little trick to keeping your chains from twisting when working in round. We do the first 10 chains. Then insert your hook into the first chain, in this loop behind, and keep it on your hook as you chain. And now we chain 60. Once completed, we pull your hook through the first and your chain will lay correctly. Now we have done chain 70, and now we will need to work a set of 2 rounds to complete this partner. So chain 3, this count as your first double crochet, then we do 4 double crochets in the same chain. Now we skip the next 4 chains, then we do 5 double crochets in the next one. And now we repeat the same sequence, so we skip the next 4 chains, then we do 5 double crochets in the next one. And continue to do this until the end of this first round. Now we do 1 slip stitch into the 3rd chain to complete round 1. And now we are going to do round 2, and we will work in each of this space, the space between these shells. So chain 1, then we do 1 single crochet in this first space, then chain 5, then we do 1 single crochet into the next space, and now we repeat the same sequence. So chain 5, then we do 1 single crochet into the next space, and continue to do this to complete round 2. Now we do 1 slip stitch into the first single crochet to complete round 2. And now we are going to repeat this set of 2 rounds, so we are going to do 5 double crochet in each of chain 5 space. So first we move directly into the first chain 5 space using a slip stitch. Then we do chain 3, this count as your first double crochet. Then we do 4 double crochets more into the same space. And now we move directly into the next space where we do another set of 5 double crochets. And continue to do this until the end of this round. And now we do 1 slip stitch into the first single crochet to complete this round. And now we are going to do the second round of partner. So chain 1, then we do 1 single crochet, chain 5, and now we move directly into the next space between the 2 sets of double crochets. So all we have to do now is to repeat this set of 2 rounds 12 more times. We will have a total of 28 rounds. Okay, now I've done a total of 28 rounds. Look at beautiful colors, and this is a yarn that is also very soft to touch. Pay attention if you want a clean division of colors like me. All you have to do is cut the yarn every 6 rounds and insert the next color of the skein. So now grab your tapestry needle, then weave the tails inside the garment. If you have changed colors like me, don't forget the tails inside. And now your project is done and ready to wear. It's warm, soft and very quick to do, so I love it. Lo amo. Remember, you can find more information about this yarn in the description below. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. Let me know in the comments down below. Remember to tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you create your Fiore Cowl. I will leave all the links that you need in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao and tanto love!